Imagine a country where strangers invite you to weddings, monks scroll through smartphones, and the past lingers in whispered stories. Cambodia isn't just temples and tuk-tuks, it's a nation of resilience, warmth, and transformation. Ready to discover the heartbeat of Cambodia? Let's get to it. The people, heartbeat of the kingdom. Cambodians are the nation's greatest treasure. After enduring the trauma of the Khmer Rouge era, they've rebuilt their lives with quiet strength and an unshakable sense of community. You'll find laughter in the markets, generosity in shared meals, and a deep pride in their heritage. Don't be surprised if a stranger invites you to a family wedding or teaches you a Khmer proverb over a bowl of samlor machu soup. Respect is key. Learn a few phrases like arkun, thank you, and samsra, excuse me, and you'll earn instant goodwill. But there's more beneath the surface. The Khmer Rouge regime, 1975 to 1979, left scars still visible today. Stories shared cautiously, a generation missing elders. Yet, Cambodia's youth are forging a new identity, blending hip-hop with traditional Apsara dance and tech startups with silk weaving cooperatives. It's a society in transition, where Buddhist monks in saffron robes scroll smartphones and grandmothers sell lotus flowers outside trendy cafes. If you're enjoying this journey so far, don't forget to like and share this video. Your support helps us share these budget travel videos with a global audience. Now back to the show. Living in Cambodia's cities. Let's start with Cambodia's beating hearts, its cities. Phnom Penh, the capital, is a symphony of honking motorbikes and riverside elegance. Apartment hunters, take note. In expat-friendly areas like BKK1, $300 per month lands you a studio with a balcony, while $800 buys a sleek downtown loft. Street vendors sell $1 bowls of kui tive noodles beside cafes brewing artisan lattes. Crossing the street here is less of a stroll and more of a strategic dance. Siem Reap, gateway to Angkor Wat, offers villas with pools for under $400 per month, minutes from 12th century temples. By day, tourists swarm Pub Street for 50-cent beers. By night, expats swap stories at hidden garden bistros. Prefer peace? The outskirts offer rice field views and neighborly geckos who'll volunteer to guard your ceiling. Down south, Kep and Kampot whisper slower rhythms. Kep's crab market serves seafood fresh off the boat, while Kampot's pepper farms scent the air. Retirees, take heed. A $1,000 monthly budget here covers a riverside bungalow, weekly massages, and endless cups of Café Tuk, Cambodia's answer to iced coffee. Weather, sun, rain, and the art of adapting. Cambodia's climate. Think eternal summer with a dramatic monsoon twist. The dry season, November to April, brings blue skies and temperatures peaking at 95 degrees Fahrenheit, 35 degrees Celsius, perfect for temple hopping, but pack sunscreen. By May, the rains arrive, turning streets into rivers and rice fields into mirrors. Monsoon season, May to October, is lush, humid, and oddly magical, if you don't mind dodging puddles on your motorbike. Locals swear by the rhythm. Rain cools the earth, grows the rice, and washes away yesterday. Pro tip: April's Khmer New Year, Chul Chnam Thmay, is a 3-day water fight. Streets become playgrounds, and everyone's fair game. Just embrace the chaos and join the splash. Getting around, tuk-tuks, motos, and the joy of slow travel. Cambodia's transportation motto: there's always a way. In cities, tuk-tuks, carriages pulled by motorbikes, are king. Hail one with a wave, negotiate the fare, $2 for short rides, and enjoy the breeze. For the brave, rent a motorbike, $5 to $10 per day. But no traffic rules are more suggestive. Hint: go with the flow, honk politely, and never assume right of way. Between cities, buses, $10 to $20, connect Phnom Penh, Siem Reap, and Kampot. They're cheap, air-conditioned, and often adventurous. One expat joked, "My bus played Khmer karaoke videos at full volume for 6 hours. I didn't sleep, but I learned to sing." For shorter trips, shared taxis squeeze in 7 passengers. It's cramped, hot, and utterly Cambodian. If you're enjoying this video and want to support the channel, consider shopping through our affiliate links in the description. It won't cost you anything extra, but it helps us cover the costs of creating more great content for you. Thank you. Finding a home. From $200 studios to riverside villas, house hunting here is equal parts scavenger hunt and social experiment. Start online. Facebook groups like Phnom Penh Housing list everything from $200 studios to $1,500 villas with private pools. Local agents can unlock hidden gems, French colonial villas in Kep, or modern condos with Mekong views. But trust your instincts. If a landlord hesitates to fix a leaky faucet, keep looking. Rural areas offer even and cheaper options. In Kampot, $150 per month, rents a rustic wooden house amid pepper farms. And room service means chasing a chicken off your porch. Always check the water pressure. Monsoon season won't save you from a trickling shower. The cost of living. Real numbers. Cambodia's currency, the riel. But dollars rule here. In Phnom Penh, $200 rents a basic studio. $600 upgrades you to a high-rise with a gym. Groceries. $50 per week buys dragon fruit, baguettes, and enough rice to feed a temple. Even luxuries stay humble. A gym pass costs $30 per month, and a haircut, $3. But budgets have limits. Internet runs $20 per month. Imported cheese. Prepare for sticker shock. Bargain hard at markets. Tip your tuk-tuk driver $1. And never pay full price for a mango. Working and retiring, the realities. Remote workers rejoice. Cambodia's digital nomad visa, 1-year renewable, requires proof of $2,500 monthly income and a clean record. Co-working spaces like Impact Hub Phnom Penh offer reliable Wi-Fi and iced coffee on tap. Teachers earn $1,000 to $2,000 per month at international schools. TEFL certifications required. Entrepreneurs? Phnom Penh's startup scene is booming, but brace for island-time bureaucracy. Retirees Cambodia's visa asks for $2,000 monthly income or a $25,000 deposit. Healthcare varies. Phnom Penh's Royal Ratanak Hospital handles basics, but serious issues mean a flight to Bangkok. Yet, retirees swear by trading HOA fees for fresh coconuts and sleepless nights for gecko lullabies. The not-so-Instagram side. The unvarnished truth, Cambodia's bureaucracy tests patience. Learning Khmer? Beyond basics like Sus Day, hello, it's tonal and tough. Petty theft happens, keep your phone close. Motorcycle accidents are common. Rent a scooter at your own risk. Yet Cambodians greet challenges with sabai easy. Power outages? Light candles and laugh. Monsoon rains? Dance in them. This isn't a place for perfectionists. It's for adventurers who see cracked sidewalks as the price of paradise. Writing your own Cambodian chapter. Living in Cambodia isn't for everyone. It asks for patience when power cuts, cancel Zoom calls, humor when monsoons soak your laundry, and courage to embrace the unknown. But for those who stay, the rewards are endless. Friendships forged over $1 beers, sunsets that paint Angkor Wat in gold, and the privilege of calling this resilient land home. I'll give you one hint about next week's video. Actually, no, I won't. Subscribe and find out for yourself. Until next time, keep up the adventures, keep discovering and exploring our amazing world. And I will see you, and yes, I do mean you, in the next video.